This compact two-burner electric cooktop is designed for both built-in and countertop use, making it a smart space saver for small kitchens, apartments, and recreational vehicles. With a total of 2,000 watts split between differently sized burners, it handles everything from a gentle simmer to a rolling boil while accommodating a range of pan sizes. The combination of physical knobs and a responsive touch panel with 9 power levels gives precise control that feels intuitive even if you are not used to modern glass cooktops. A programmable timer that runs up to 99 minutes lets you walk away from soups, stews, and slow-simmered dishes without constantly checking the clock. Multiple safety features, including residual heat indication, overheat protection, and automatic shutoff, provide extra peace of mind in busy or shared kitchens. Because it plugs into a standard household outlet and works with most flat-bottom cookware, it is especially convenient as a portable extra burner for holidays, parties, and outdoor gatherings.